So can you help me now? Alright, tell you what. The package I come from yours truly. Your brother, right? Okay. So, of course it's a pleasure doing business with you guys. They have to deliver it for you. The more you help him, fill out the customer number upon this and just send it to a customer. Send it to a friend or family so we can bring them on board. Yeah. Alright? So right here, so you gotta put the number there. This number.
Yeah, really.
You gotta put it right there so and give one of your friend them. Or give your customer. Yeah. They say around there, do you hear?
Yeah.
Oh, Zane, you good at all? You good any at all?
Yeah, you do. Yeah.
Oh, alright, cool. What you can do for me?
Nothing. Yes,
So,
thanks.
go you go call your brother and tell him about the service.
It's good. It's a good service.
So you go tell him about the tall glass of chocolate that carry come.
Wait there.
You know,
I don't get it yet.
oh, that you say? You don't get it yet. Alright, can I help you? So, I don't know who can help you. Come in, Jenna. And then say, yeah, strong one for the ends, you know.
Yeah, man.
Balance the thing. Big up yourself here. Alright, cool. Your hair look good. Thank you. Alright.